I started this thing, it wasn't really going on well. I started applying for jobs. People out there to learn a skill. It's not difficult. Even if you are working for someone, it's not enough.
Yeah.
It's not enough. I feel people don't spend, like people don't really have money to spend on unnecessary things. So I would love to, me personally, I would love to buy something that is unique. You get it? If I see a unique design somewhere and it's even expensive, I would like to buy it. But if it's something that is common, I wouldn't really want to spend my money on a common thing. So I think come up with something unique, something outstanding, something that will catch people's attention. You get it? So with something like that, someone can afford to spend on something that is unique. Instead of you going maybe there's someone in your area who sells Indomie, and just right beside the person you want to sell Indomie. You can still sell that Indomie, but maybe you add a touch of something that will make it different. Why should I buy your Indomie? Yes. So I think don't just decide to start a business and plan it. Have something unique and you want to do. I think it's easy for you to build up on it. Yeah.
Don't just start a business. Plan it.
Yeah.
Be unique. Don't forget the God factor.
So we'd like to know, is that all you do, or you have other things that you do as well?
Yeah, I said earlier that I love business.
Okay.
Yes, one source of income will not be enough for me. So I'm also a graphic designer.
Okay. Maybe
Yeah.
a stone.
Wow.
That's nice.
It's still the art field. So,
Okay.
That's true.
Yes, so I'm a graphic designer, and also you can see my hair. My hair is nice, right?
Yeah, it's
Is
very
it natural?
It's natural.
Like
Your
all
own
this
hair.
is
My
yours.
own hair.
Hey, bro, look at mine. Viewers, is this fair?
So I get a lot of comments. Oh, your hair is nice.
Oh,
What
yeah.
are you
Very
using?
soft.
And it's
Very soft.
It's not the normal.
Curly.
It's spiky, too,
Yeah.
but you'll be able to keep it. That's
Yes.
She's not a Ghanaian.
Fully nice.
Okay.
Yeah, so when I get the comments like that, I'm like, let me just take advantage. I actually use a natural hair product. I'm like, let me just take advantage of that and sell the natural hair product. Because if you see my hair and I tell you this is the product I use, I can easily convince you to
That's
buy
true.
it. It's another business I'm also doing, buying and selling of natural hair
I've
products.
actually had a lawyer today, but next time please I want the natural products.
Yeah, and then if there's any natural hair products company out there, then you need someone to maybe be your brand ambassador. I know she's here, right?
Yeah, I'm here.
She will comb her hair out for you.
Yeah, Papa. Yeah.
Who inspires you? Who or what? I think
Yeah.
who or what inspires you?
Okay, I think I'm not going to give this to any celebrity or anyone here.
You can give it to me.
Our manager is actually worrying her. Please.
Oh, don't mention his name.
Oh no!
No.
I
Like
understand.
if it was those
Please, if you don't get it, forget about it.
You can mention my name.
Yeah, but I remember when I started this, my dad, your parents can pay a lot of school fees for you. And you come and sit at home and say, I didn't time. Like, to them, that's how it looks like. No
Yeah.
African parents. That's how it looks to them. But my sister, she's actually not here, but she's one person that really believes in this thing.
Wow.
Yes, like she really supports me. She's like my marketer.
Wow.
Yeah, so
She's taking my position away.
So she gets me a lot of customers.
Wow.
And when I do the design, she'll be like, oh, this is nice. Like, this is nice. Someone will love it.
Wow, you
And
say
she'll-
yes, but
Oh, yeah. Oh, now say I know.
Oh, it's
what
nice.
shall I say? My name Queen.
Yeah,
Yes,
She will encourage you.
She was encouraging me.
Yeah, that's good.
So I would say she really inspires me. Like when I didn't get the support from the full family, she was still there to
Yes,
support
yeah.
me. So she's one person that inspires me.
Who do you want this video to reach? Who do you want to inspire?
Okay. So I just want to inspire young people coming up. It's obvious. The vice president told us that look, the payroll.
You mean
Don't bring
our
Ghana
vice-
card
our
here.
vice
Oh,
president.
me GS is not a Ghana card.
our current vice president?
Yeah. He told us that
Yeah,
the
like the
payroll.
Ghana card.
He said the payroll is full. Yes, so I don't. It's difficult. I remember when I started this and it wasn't going on well.
I was he the one or the finance minister?
You were the one. The one.
Was finance minister?
Who said the
Ken
payroll? is full?
Oforiata.
Honorable
Ken Oforiata. Honorable Michiao.
the patrol to us.
Yes, Wasso.
Okay. I remember when I started this and it wasn't really going on well. I started applying for jobs.
Oh.
I didn't get in. I didn't get in.
God
So I
was
started-
telling you something like he's telling
Yeah,
you.
so I started to hold on to my vision and continue. So I have a lot of friends who are also out there looking for jobs and they are not getting in.
Yeah.
So I just want to encourage the young people out there to learn a skill. It's not difficult. I said earlier that I'm a graphic designer and that one I learned it on my own. You can go on YouTube and just watch a lot of videos and you can come up with a skill. Right now you can even be a virtual assistant online.
Wow.
So there are a lot of things you can do if you don't get a job. So right now that you are waiting for someone to employ you, on your own just start something. Maybe you are good at cooking. That alone is enough for you to start something on your own. And so I just want to inspire people. I know it's not easy to start a business on your own. It wasn't easy for me, but look at where I am today. It's still not easy, but it's way better. So I'll just like to encourage everyone to, even if you are working for someone, it's not enough.
Yeah.
It's not enough. Sometimes you are helping someone's vision. What about your personal vision? What legacy do you want to build for yourself? So I'll just like to encourage you people to start something on your own. The young people coming out here.
So Fafa said that start something on your own. Don't give someone else a definition of yourself by saying the person's vision will make your own time and do your own thing. Plan for yourself. Am I right?
Yeah.
So we really want to say that thank you so much, Fafa, for the things that you have shared here. I believe people out there have heard this, they are inspired by what you have said. Right from your consistency quotes, it's consistency is key. Don't give up. She told us about the God factor. She also told us about she took advantage of trends. There are lots of trends that are going on social media. Someone told, I think I read it somewhere or I watched it on YouTube, that when you come on YouTube, have the content creator mentality or have that employer kind of mentality, so that when you come, you're not just following things and then letting social media chop your money, because the money is going to people's pockets. Make sure you're also monetizing your time that you spend there. Another thing she also spoke about is planning. So she had to plan. So these are key keywords I've picked up personally from this show with her. And I want to really say thank you so much. She actually fits to be a resource person, and I believe that most of us out there also have the knowledge that she has, but if we are sitting down, if you don't come out, nobody will see you. So Fafa, lastly, I know you have said a lot of things. What will you tell viewers about what Friend Zone is doing?
Oh, this initiative is really inspiring. Like, it's amazing. Like, there are people out there who are also doing great as me, but no one knows about them. And so this
People like us.
I think no, like okay, no, they can
Yes, people like us.
Loud down.
Yes.
like for people like them, like
Yeah.
what they are doing is great. They are trying to support young people coming up. So I'm glad that they decided to bring up this initiative to help people. So please subscribe to their channel, like share their videos, share it. They are doing great.
Thank you so much.
Mrs. Subi. Hey, Mrs. Supi. Michiaba. Or see, Friend Zone. I didn't main camera for make a cheap. I sing
The chin is when you.
It's young gusu na yenye. It's
Ye koswa
ye no.
ye koswa ye.
Aha, koswa yenye. Ye koswa ye no. E was say was so like
What's that? O like it.
You need to my life. Open. Now subscribe.
Now, all subscribing is so now. Oh, yes, sponsor now. We share now. It's me sponsor your show now. We say we share drink beer in the house.
It's
so beer. Yeah, share on sell our sponsor show. We na yet me a call obi what to say Fafali. Net na back show so now. On us will be a turning can. Until we are calling out to all sponsors. We are calling out to all partners.
Don't let it be a miss call.
Please don't ghost sponsor us and don't ghost partners. Thank you so much, and then we greet you, Honorable Kenokoyat.
Like, comment, share
to 3 amazing people.
Oh, and subscribe.
All right. So, I don't know how we end it.
Papa, do you have any last words for your people?
I don't think she does.
Do you?
I didn't want to dance. We did. She said A. So you catch us some other time. If you still like Fafali and I know you really enjoyed her, check out on her social media at _wearfancy on Instagram, and you also get her on Facebook as well.
And guys, please don't forget, Friend Zone is for you, it's for me, it's for us. Like, comment, and share. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.